Show you guys that the water is now cleaner. See that? That means your beans are clean. All right. How good is that? Now we're gonna put these beans in the slow cooker and we're gonna cook them for at least 4 hours. And I'm gonna add in here 48 ounces of chicken broth. .48 ounces of chicken broth. So that should be enough liquid. The whole 48 ounces. And now we're going to add our seasoning. So I'm going to add some garlic powder. I'm adding pepper. Seasoned salt. I'm adding basil. As much as you like, guys. I love basils in my beans. And then I'm going to add 2 bay leaves. And remember, get those bay leaves out. I'm going to add a small one and a big one. And I'm going to put the top over this, turn it on high for 4 hours. And I'll see you all in 4 hours. Okay guys, it's been cooking for 1 hour now. Now we're going to add onions. This is 1 small onion. And we're going to build flavors. I'm also going to add some garlic flakes. Some chopped onion flakes and some garlic flakes. I'm going to add the garlic flakes in another 35-40 minutes. I'll be back. Our Dooley sausages, we're going to cut these up. And then I'm going to fry them a little bit and put them in there in this 3rd hour. This is like after 4 hours of the beans cooking in the slow cooker. Okay, let's start getting to the next part of this. Meet me over at the stove. Okay, so in this pan, we're going to now put our Dooley sausages. We're going to let these fry up. And I'll be back when they get started. So while our sausages is frying over there, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And this is to fight that acidity and bloatiness that it puts in your stomach. Just 1/4 teaspoon. It's not going to change the taste because what we're doing is we're building taste. We're building flavor as we go. I'll be back when it's time to put the sausages and vegetables in. So now that we have a little color on our sausages, we're going to add 1 celery stick and 1 small red bell pepper. We're going to let this cook a little bit, and then we're going to add it to our beans. Our sausages is ready, so we're going to now put this in our beans, and we'll cook it for another hour and 45 minutes. Okay, I'll now add our sausages and vegetables to our beans. And then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of vegetable flakes. I'm telling y'all, these beans smell so good on this cold day. We'll be back in an hour and 45 minutes. This is now done. Look at these beans. Look at all this seasoning. Okay, we're gonna plate this up and see what we're working with. So now, we got us a little rice. And here come the beans. How good is that? Look at that. You got your Dooley sausages, all the seasoning in your beans, your rice, your cornbread. What a meal for winter time. So listen, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to AB's Kitchen. May you have peace and have a nice day. I'm gonna get a little taste of this. I want everything. I'm gonna have to call 911, y'all, because these beans, this is against the law to be this good. All right, guys, have a nice day.